Hello everyone, welcome to our exciting new lecture series on Introduction to IoT. We'll explore everything from the fundamentals to advanced techniques in IoT. I encourage you to engage with us by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us and please consider subscribing, sharing this series. In this video, we are going to discuss a topic on genesis of IoT. So what is the genesis of IoT? Is the genesis of IoT can be traced back to the convergence of several technologies, advancements, and concepts. Here is a detailed explanation of the genesis of IoT. The first one is connectivity and internet expansion. The widespread adoption of the internet and advancement of connectivity technologies laid to the foundation for IoT. As internet access became more pervasive and reliable, it created a platform for devices to communicate and share information seamlessly. Coming to the sensor technology, the development and miniaturization of sensors played a crucial role in enabling IoT. Sensors became smaller, more affordable, and more power efficient, making it possible to embed them into various objects and devices. These sensors could collect a data from physical world such as temperature, humidity, motion, and more. Coming to the machine to machine communication. The concept of machine to machine communication, where devices can exchange without human intervention, was essential precursor to the IoT. M2M communication protocols and technologies emerged to enable seamless communication between devices, forming the foundation for IoT's interconnected network. The next one is ubiquitous computing and ambient intelligence. The idea of this, introduced by Mark Weiser in the late 1980s, envisioned a world where computing and communication capabilities are seamlessly integrated into the environment. This concept led to the notion of ambient intelligence, where devices and systems would adapt and respond intelligently to human needs. These concepts influenced the development of IoT by emphasizing the integration of technology into our surroundings. Next one is RFID and wireless sensor networks. Radio frequency identification technology and wireless sensor networks further contributed to the evolution of IoT. RFID tags equipped with unique identifiers and capable of wirelessly transmitting data enable the tracking and identification of objects. WSNs, composed of interconnected sensor nodes, allowed for distributed sensing, data gathering, and transmission in various environments. Coming to the convergence of technologies, the convergence of multiple technologies, including cloud computing, big data analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, accelerated the growth and adoption of IoT. Cloud computing provided the necessary infrastructure for storing and processing vast amounts of data generated by IoT devices. Big data analytics and AI/ML techniques allowed for extracting valuable insights from the collected data, enabling intelligent decision making and art. The next one is standardization and protocols. The development of industry standards and communication protocols played a vital role in enabling interoperability and seamless integration of IoT devices. Standards such as IP version 6 expanded the address space, accommodating the enormous number of connected devices. Communicating protocols like MQTT, message queuing telemetry transport, and COAP means Constrained Application Protocol, were specially designed for IoT, optimizing data transmission and device connectivity. Next, applications and early adopters. Early adopters in various industries recognized the potential of IoT, started implementing IoT solutions. Industries such as manufacturing, energy, healthcare, and transportation embraced IoT to enhance efficiency, productivity, and safety. These real world applications showcased the tangible benefits of IoT and encouraged further development and adoption. Coming to the challenges and the future of IoT, over the time, the evolution of these technologies, coupled with advancements in connectivity, data processing, and AI, has propelled the growth of IoT. Today, IoT is expanding rapidly, connecting billions of devices worldwide and finding applications in smart homes, smart cities, industrial automation, healthcare, agriculture, and many other domains. The ongoing development and innovations in IoT continue to shape our interconnected future. Coming to the conclusion, the genesis of IoT can be traced back the convergence of several technologies, advancements, and concepts. IoT has the potential to transform various industries and improve our daily lives, but it still faces several challenges that need to be addressed.